Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable commenting on the Trello app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and disable commenting on your Trello board on the Trello app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Trello app. Next, go ahead and click onto a Trello board. Then, click on the three dots on the upper right hand corner. Then from here, click on the three dots again on the upper right hand corner. Afterwards, go ahead and scroll down and click on commenting members. And then this is where you're going to click on disabled. Now this will actually go ahead and disable commenting on your Trello board. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and disable commenting on the Trello app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.